Friends, I once again welcome you in the second part of our previous lesson. So I have dear friends, I have made this lesson in two parts uh, so that it can be downloaded easily and you will get it in parts also. Okay. So first part is of 8 to 9 minutes and I shall make this part. Some slides are left, maybe of 10 to 12 minutes. So on our YouTube channel, you go through both the lessons for this particular. This is the last lesson, and actually this is last lesson of mine also, my dear friends. So. Uh, So this is the last lesson, and we have seen till now that yesterday we have learned about the sad condition of Mr. Hamel and all the students attending the last lesson. Okay, yes, we had these slides in the last lesson. Now, yes, we have left from this. So the difficult words in this particular slide are struck means sounded, and trumpet is a musical instrument, my dear friends, used to put together, gather together the soldiers and on. Usually soldiers use it. Trumpet is a musical instrument. Angelus is a prayer, dear friends, prayer song in the church. It is usually done after the bell rang. So that bell is referred to here. So drill is exercise, and pale means very sad, very weak, very downcast, and in a lamenting position, you see. So what is the explanation of this text? Dear friends, we are having the explanation for this slide. Okay, fine. Just then the clock of the church sounded 12, and after this the church prayer commenced. Yes, oh, so many, you see, commenced. At the same moment, the trumpets of the Prussian soldiers returning from the routine drill sounded. At the same time, Mr. Hamel and the students of the class, they heard two different sounds: the sound of the church, sound of the bell of the church for prayer, and next they heard the sound of trumpet. All these could be heard under the window of the class. Then, as if getting some signal, Mr. Hamel stood up, very sad on his chair. Franz said that he had never seen Mr. Hamel look so tall. So now, dear friends, a very lamenting chapter of this lesson will begin. It is the last moment of his last lesson in the last class. Yes. My friends, said he, I, and he stopped. Words could not come out of his mouth because of sadness, dear friends. My friend, said he, but something choked him. He could not go on. Then he turned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk, and bearing on with all his might, all his strength, he wrote as large as he could, Vive la France. We will see it in the explanation. Vive la France means long live France. He knew that the physical occupation of any kind, dear friends, on any land is just temporary. If the people of France decide that they won't bear this occupation, it can happen in the future that the French rule may reign again there. Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall, and without a word, he made a gesture to us with his hand. Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall, and without a word, he made a gesture to us with his hand. With his hand, he had some moment, and at last he said, in his last lesson, my dear friends, with a very heavy heart and tears in his eyes, school is dismissed, you may go. So this is the end of this last lesson. Now we will see the explanation for this particular slide. Mr. Hamel stood up and addressed the class. This was his last address to the class. He began to say something, but his voice choked and he could not speak more. He was utterly downcast and panicked. You can imagine, my dear friends, if you have gone through all the lectures of mine in connection with this last lesson, that what a difficult condition Mr. Hamel, Mr. M. Hamel, the teacher, the French teacher, have gone through. But his voice choked and he could not speak more. He was utterly downcast and panicked. Then he turned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk, and mustering all his strength, he wrote, Vive la France. Vive la France means long live France. So there are some, yes. Then utterly downcast, he stopped, leaned his head against the wall, and without saying a word, he just signaled with his hand, school is dismissed. You may go. Now, this is all over for today, and forever this is all over. And Mr. Hamel left that class. So dear friends, some difficult word. Vive la France means long live France. Yes, see here one of the very old portrait. Mr. Hamel is there, he was writing there. Vive la France means long live France. Gesture means sign, movements of hand, and with his movements of hand he signed only that school is dismissed, you may go. He didn't say a word. And dismissed means closed for ever. So what we have seen from this lesson, the last lesson revolves around the language and its importance to the citizens of a country. It is the duty of every citizen to safeguard the language of the country as it is the identity of that country. The lesson depicts how after defeating France in the war, the Prussians wanted to rule over not only the territory, not only physically, but of France, but also over the minds and hearts of the people, which is very difficult. The story reinforces the fact that yes, that we value something more when it is lost. The pain and anguish of the students and the teacher is evident as everyone realizes how things were taken for granted. The lesson emphasizes the importance of the mother tongue for everyone and the need to realize the fact that it is our language which gives us our identity, respect, and freedom. So we must safeguard not just our land but also our mother tongue. In any kind of slavery, It will, only the mother tongue will save you. It will make you united. It will make you united with the people of your own mother tongue. So, by this unity, you can defeat any kind of uh, any kind of enemy. So, this is the lesson, my dear friend. Very nice lesson, extremely nice lesson, and very much cherished ideas are there. So, there is the exercise. I shall post this also in PDF format tomorrow or today only. So exercises, Frank thinks, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? What could this mean? What is the main theme of the last lesson? Describe the condition of Mr. M. Hamel at the end of the class. Collect information about French Alsace district and its history as well as its present occupation. And explain school is dismissed. You may go. So you have to write down all these questions in a paper sheet and take a photograph of it and post it on the on our WhatsApp group. You can also post it on my personal WhatsApp number. So thank you very much. Tomorrow we will have a detailed exercise in PDF form as well as in PPT, and I shall meet you tomorrow. So thank you very much. All the best. May God bless you. Thank you so much.